Meetings are used for sharing information, leading to discussions and decisions. But what about all those productive work hours spent in meetings? Welcome to the workshopping world. Workshops are structured events where work is done and deliverables are produced. Workshops function better than meetings in creating momentum, a shared purpose, and increasing collaboration. They also fulfill what would take multiple meetings to accomplish in a shorter time. To plan a successful workshop, consider your audience, length of sessions, the topic and outcomes, and prepare the environment and supplies. When you want to get the work done and create a sense of purpose and collaboration among your team, consider running a workshop instead of a meeting. To get the best results, it is recommended hiring a facilitator to achieve reliable results and have a smooth experience. Facilitators bring objectivity, engagement, positivity, and conflict resolution to your team. Click on the link below and watch the full video to know more.